को निचली अदालत ने बड़ी राम रहीम पर यह फैसला जिसमें बड़ी खबर आरोपी इमरान खान केस में फैसला सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले के बाद धारा 370
With over 3 crore cases pending in various Indian courts, there is a huge dearth of judges and quality law professionals in the country. Mass corruption at every level has affected the common man, either by justice being denied or delayed. With a view to overcome these issues, we established Asian Law College, which is a part of Asian Education Group, to provide excellence in the field of legal education and to groom and develop quality legal professionals who will help structure the legal system of the country.
We at Asian Law College groom budding advocates by not only providing them theoretical knowledge, we also give them practical training and exposure by associating with them various advocates and judges so that they become very much relevant for the legal arena outside and they are ready to face any challenge once they leave our college. That is how we are going to make a big difference to the world outside.
My ladyship, can I submit the issues of the case? Yes, counsel, proceed. Whether the terms of the offer are too vague to be treated as a definite offer.
Object, my lady.
Objection overruled.
When a student walks out of this campus and gets himself enrolled as an advocate, just the actual coach setup should not shake his confidence. To build up that confidence, we here through moot court practical exposure provide that experience to the students.
I differ from my co-counsel. It was not based on specific terms.
I would like to have everybody's attention here. The moment you present yourself before the judge in the court of law, you're supposed to say, Your Lordship, with the due permission of this honorable court, when you will get a direction from the judge that yes, we may proceed, counsel.
I would like to submit the second.
Those students who are not that vocal, who are not that upfront, wherein their interest is towards research, they have very good writing skills. We offer legal research club to those students. Apart from that, if I talk about the legal awareness club, which further includes the consumer awareness club, herein students are associated with the advocates. Client training interview is given to the students through the advocates with whom they are associated.
With the changing time, the requirements for the skills for working professionals are also changing nowadays. We at Asian Law College dedicate ourselves to the skill-based training. Personality is a very important aspect of human behavior.
Especially for lawyers, personality development is very important. Self-esteem, personality, body language, your confidence level has to be perfect. So how many of you want to participate in a role play? Alright, why don't you both come?
We have a dedicated department which is Center for Skill Development, where we teach students certain required training, skill-based training, which is required to become a future lawyer.
The case is, the complainant is saying that the...
Your voice is shaking. You are here to represent your client. So where is that confidence?
If I touch him like this, it doesn't mean I have beaten him. So it's not called domestic violence.
Okay, there is an improvement in her tone and body language, right? So show your assertive skills here. This is such an enclosed body posture. He has not beaten her.
When the student joins the college, we give them some tools and tests. We basically test them on their motivation to pursue this career and what are their goals for their future and their assertiveness and self-esteem. So after this pre-assessment, we create their mirrors And on the basis of these mirrors, we also create their IDPs, which is Individual Development Program. And then we hand it over these IDPs to the crafters, which the student will be having their one-on-one meetings. How are you feeling today, Angelica?
As I'm a hostler, I'm finding difficult in making friends.
How many roommates you have? 1 or 2?
2.
So do you communicate with them? Do you talk
No,
to
ma'am.
them? This is the first time you're staying away from your family, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But you know what, this experience is also very important. I think this is at a very young age you are learning this to be independent. You know who's the author of Harry Potter?
J.K. Rowling.
Yes, J.K. Rowling. You know the answer, but you have to say it with the confidence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What I want you to do is, I want you to make 2 friends next week.
And I think I can do wonders.
So can I prescribe you another book?
Yes, ma'am.
We have a lot of activities, we have a lot of tools and training which are based on their speaking skills. Apart from speaking skills, the reading skills and drafting skills, which is writing skills, are very important for lawyers because in future they will be writing petitions.
Department of Student Welfare at Asian Law College basically aims at fostering the best possible environment for the academic and the social well-being of the student. Department of Student Welfare provides one common window wherein the students can come and discuss their various concerns and issues, if any. DSW at ALC provides platform to the student where they can channelize their emotional, their intellectual, unheard, unrevealed skill development and talent through our annual fest KESSHET, which means Color of Life, which is a blend of academic and non-academic activities. One of the major other event is Athlema, an annual sports which comprises of various indoor and the outdoor games wherein different students from the colleges participate. Department of Student Welfare at ALC basically aims on providing a very caring environment to the students.
The vision of Asian Law College is primarily to enhance students' personality so that they can reach up to the aspirations that they have. We also have a corporate connect program where we try and bring the college and the corporate to the same platform. We have a lot of visits that we plan. We have recently visited NHRC. We also have President House visits. We have High Court visit. We have Supreme Court visit. These are the visits which give them a real life scenario. How does it work? Second, we also try and bring a lot of people, eminent law practitioners in our college, which makes them talk to the people and understand how does it work. This also gives them an advantage and understand how does a layman think and how does primarily a legal practitioner think.
So it's a long journey. It's not a journey only for a student. It's our journey also. And in this journey, we connect a certain bond with each student. It is a bond which is between the teachers, trainers, and the student. So when we see them after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, turning into a very professional individual, working and doing excellent in their professional life, so it feels great. We feel we have this feeling of pride.